The rugby game by a disgruntled worker, a satire, part 12. Supervisor Ken Supreme reigns with the iron fist of apathy. Employee recognition? Who needs it? Ken scoffs at such trivial matters, like giving credit to Oliver Transparency, the ever enthusiastic newbie who's always volunteering and offering brilliant ideas. Ken's mission? Make Oliver as invisible as possible, both in the office and on the sacred rugby field. When Oliver dares to tread on Ken's turf, he's met with the icy embrace of the cold shoulder. Ken, either the sportsman, even accidentally trips Oliver in front of his body. The revered referee steals authority. Justice, not in Ken's twister realm. But fear not, for Ken Supreme's behavior is not an anomaly in this land of absurdity. Born and raised in a world where the belt ruled supreme, he was trained in the fine art of merciless management from a young age. Like many others, Ken carries the burden of a lifetime of pressure. After all, it's what makes an exceptional leader. Yes? And so the employers rejoice, for they have found their champion in Ken Supreme, the ultimate purveyor of workplace misery.